Hey, you are watching AliAziz YouTube channel.
Top 10 UI developer interview questions and answers for fresh and experienced candidates. 1. Who is UI UX developer? What he does. As the name suggests, UI UX stands for User Interface Design or User Experience Design. The role of UI UX developer is to focus on the way the functionality is displayed and the detail on how users interact with the users. They code for the functioning of the front-end interface or user interface. 2. What skills are required to become a UI developer? Following skill sets are essential to become a UI developer: CSS, HTML, Photoshop, graphic design, user testing, HCI, creating mockups in the Adobe suite. Additional skills required: Angular, JS, SEO, user research, usability and analytics, visual design and content strategy. 3. Explain how you can add text in Final Cut Pro. In the timeline, double-click in order to display it in the viewer window at the top. At the lower end of the viewer, tap on the icon with big letter A, which indicates the text button in the viewer window. Text will appear in the viewer window. Tap the Controls tab to open the text editing window. Type your text into the text box. Use the options or tools given below the text box to change the font size, style and color. To add your text into the timeline, under Viewer, click on the Video tab, then drag and drop the text into the time frame where you wanted it to appear. 4. Explain what is the use of SmoothCam filter and how it works. SmoothCam filter in Final Cut Pro is to analyze a clip's complete media file before the effect can be played or rendered in real time. SmoothCam filter requires two independent phases. Motion analysis: pixels are analyzed in successive frames to determine the direction of camera movement. It stored the analysis data on disk. Motion compensation during rendering or real-time playback. The SmoothCam filter avails the motion analysis data to implement a four-corner transformation to each frame. 5. What's the difference between a UI developer and a front-end developer? A. Front-end developers create the client side of a web interface, making sure it functions properly, such as making sure all of the website's elements work. The UI developer makes everything on the site is user-friendly and looks good. 6. Name 3 ways to reduce a page's load time. Eliminate unnecessary widgets, minimize redirects, and reduce image sizes. 7. What kind of skills do you think are crucial for a successful UI developer? UI developers must have skills in visual design, including animation and interactive elements, prototyping platforms, copywriting, SEO, site analytics, and front-end frameworks. A good UI developer knows HTML, CSS, and, though it's not mandatory, Photoshop. 8. Name 3 ways to reduce a page's load time. A. Eliminate unnecessary widgets, minimize redirects, and reduce image sizes. 9. What kind of skills do you think are crucial for a successful UI developer? A. UI developers must have skills in visual design, including animation and interactive elements, prototyping platforms, copywriting, SEO, site analytics, and front-end frameworks. A good UI developer knows HTML, CSS, and, though it's not mandatory, Photoshop. 10. Name 3 ways to reduce a page's load time. Eliminate unnecessary widgets, minimize redirects, and reduce image sizes.